having a baby with.
Of course you can trust me.
This is me.
Because 5 minutes ago I didn't
Prince.
even know you were an arms dealer.
Come on, Nene,
I'm
dog
not
Prince.
an arms dealer. What we do is
Prince and
perfectly
Red.
legal. We work for the government. We're middlemen.
Dirty,
We don't touch
Dirty
the guns.
Red.
We don't see the
Good,
guns.
that makes
We
sense.
never even leave the office.
Hey, sorry to interrupt. It's time.
What, Prince Debo?
What?
Debo
Yeah,
Prince.
why?
We have to go to Jordan, like ASAP. Figure this shit out. We gotta talk.
Cut the lights. Cut the lights.
Dang, how you just gonna mess up my whole picture? You know what?